Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we dive into Cologne that's all about sunshine, sea breeze and Mediterranean vibes. I'm talking about Jacques Fath Vers Le Sud. If you love fresh, citrusy and slightly urban cologne that transports you to coastal getaway, this might be your next favorite cologne. As usual when it comes to my review, I break it into the history of the cologne, the bottle presentation, the scent profile, who should wear it, the performance and longevity, and the best season to wear this piece. So let's get started. A little bit of background on Jacques Fath. Jacques Fath is a legendary French fashion house that has been around since 1930. Known for elegance and luxury in both fashion and fragrance, this brand has a reputation for creating high-quality niche fragrances that stands out in the market. Vers Le Sud, which translates to Towards the South, was launched as part of Jacques Fath Essentials collection, a line of sophisticated fragrances inspired by travel and nature. This cologne is meant to capture the essence of the Mediterranean coast, blending citrus, aromatic herbs, and soft woods for refined yet relaxing scent. If you love the idea of a chic, sun-drenched escape in a bottle, this one's for you. Let's talk about the bottle and presentation. Jacques Fath is all about elegance and craftsmanship, and the presentation of Vers Le Sud reflects that perfectly well. Now, for the bottle shape, bottle is simple yet luxurious and has a good feel on the hand. And for the glass and color, the juice inside has a light golden hue, reminiscent of a warm Mediterranean sunshine. As for the cap and branding, the heavy cap has a luxurious touch to it, and the Jacques Fath logo is beautifully displayed, giving it a niche fragrance appeal. Now, the presentation is minimalistic but high-end, making it a great addition to any collection. Let's talk about the same profile, which is the most important piece of any cologne, and that's where the magic happens, which is the scent itself. Vers Le Sud is a fresh, aromatic and slightly woody cologne that perfectly captures a Mediterranean atmosphere, and here's how I break it down. We start with top notes of bergamot, lemon and grapefruit. The opening is bright, citrusy and zesty, giving it a refreshing, uplifting start. Then we talk about the herbs of lavender, rosemary and cypress. As it settles, you get a classic aromatic blend of Mediterranean herb, adding a touch and slightly herbal depth to this. And for the base notes, we talk about vetiver, musk and sandalwood. The dry down is clean, woody and slightly creamy, giving the fragrance a smooth, elegant, and sophisticated finish. What's the overall vibe of this cologne? It's crisp, clean, and effortlessly chic. This is like stepping onto a deck on a yacht in south of France. As for suitability, we should wear this always. Jacques Fath Vers Le Sud is great for men who love fresh, citrusy, and refined cologne. It's perfect for those who enjoy sophisticated, natural-smelling cologne. It's ideal for casual and smart casual setting. This is versatile enough for daily wear, office and weekend outings. It's also a good piece for an elegant and well-dressed gentleman that prefers niche fragrances that aren't overpowering but still makes a statement. This is a very good option. It has a vacation travel vibe to it. Perfect scent for beach trips, sailing, or just a day out in the sun. If you love colognes like Acqua di Parma Colonia, Dior Sauvage, or Chanel Roller Home Spot, you're going to love Vers Le Sud. As for performance and longevity, this has a moderate projection. It's not too overpowering, but it stays noticeable within close radius for a few hours. And for longevity, we're talking about 5 to 7 hours on the skin, with better performance and clothing. As for sillage, light to moderate it is. It's a close to the skin kind of scent after a few hours, making it subtle yet classic. It's expected to be on the lighter side, but it still holds up well for fresh cologne. And one of the best seasons to wear this is a warm weather masterpiece, guys. The citrus, herbal and woody notes make it ideal for hot days and breezy evenings. It's also ideal for vacation and beach wear. This is the ultimate holiday scent. It's fresh, uplifting and effortlessly stylish. It's also good for early fall as it shines well in warm climate, but not a good piece for winter as it's too fresh to stand out in cold weather. If you look for a signature summer cologne that's refined and yet relaxed, Vers Le Sud is an excellent choice for you. Here's my final thought on this piece. Should you buy it? If you're looking for fresh, aromatic and Mediterranean style cologne, this is a must try. If you want a cologne that's very sophisticated, a nice summer piece that stands out from the mainstream option, this is a good option. If you enjoy elegant and clean cologne that are perfect for vacation, casual wear, or office setting, this will work well. This is a hidden gem in the niche fragrance world. If you're looking for something that feels luxurious, effortlessly, and incredibly wearable, Vers Le Sud is a fantastic addition to your collection. So, have you tried Jacques Fath Vers Le Sud? What's your go-to summer and spring fragrance? Click the link below, subscribe to my channel. Your support your life goes a long way. And while you're here too, don't forget to check out the contents on my channel on fragrances, life perspective, style, and so much more. And hit the bell button so you never miss a review. This Straw Style signing out. Grow, style, and refine always.